Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Gagan Thakur and you're watching a series on Dialogflow Essentials. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to create an IVR, like we are going to place a call, and what we were just seeing on the screen, we will see if we can actually hear that. Okay, so again we will go to integrations, then we'll go to Dialogflow phone gateway. Okay, this is only for testing because it will give you a US phone number, by the way. But if your organization has already a number, okay, a toll-free number that you want to continue, so that you can integrate it with Avaya, Signal Wire, Twilio, and so many. So this is just for testing. Okay, so I'll click on this Dialogflow phone gateway. Okay, I'll select language as English, country as in US. Okay, so this supports only US. I'll keep it blank. I'll say next. Okay, and it should give us a number. Okay, so there are choices. You can select any of these numbers. So let me select the first one. I'll say create. Now it will actually link this number with my bot, with my agent. So the next time I call, congratulations, you have successfully set up your Dialogflow phone gateway. Awesome. Now this is a number, so let me actually dial this number. Okay, and let's see what happens. So I'll keep my phone on speaker and let's see what happens. So and by the way guys, this is the US number, so if you're in India or any other country, it will actually charge you, but it's okay. So I'm just dialing the number. It's 786-573-8605. Let's see.
Hi, my name is PizzaBot. I am here to help you with your pizza order, smiley face.
I want to order a large pizza with cheese and chicken.
Please provide crust, regular or thin.
I would like thin crust.
You ordered large thin crust with cheese and chicken. Is that correct?
Yes.
Your total bill is $23.40. Can I have your name and phone number for confirming this order?
My name is Gagan Thakur and my number is 111-222-3333.
Awesome, Kevin. Your pizza will be ready in 30 minutes.
Okay guys, so it instead of hearing Gagan, it heard Kevin. That's okay. And one more thing I realized that once it says that your pizza will be ready in 30 minutes, it should say thank you for calling, or have a good day or something, so the caller gets to know that the call is done. Now here the experience is like I don't know whether I need to say anything or not. Okay, so this is how you can increase the you can make the experience better. So this is also something that you should keep in mind. So I hope this series was useful. I'm pretty much done with the series. I know that it was very basic, but maybe in future we'll do some more videos on this, and we can have some complex topics. But if you have any question, you can put it in the chat and I'll try to answer. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel.